To connect towards your Google Dialogflow account, you actually need to take a few steps because Google recently updated how you can connect, and this requires a few more steps than normal, but in this video we will walk you through all the necessary steps and show you how it can be done in just a few minutes. If you want to connect towards Google Dialogflow, if you press the button, you'll see that we will need a service account JSON here. We need to upload this JSON file. So the thing that we need to do is go to Dialogflow. You'll need to connect your training agent towards a Google service account. To do so, just press the gear icon on your training agent, go towards the Google project, and press the Google project ID. Once done, you will come towards the Google Cloud platform. Just press the navigation menu on the top left corner. Go to I am admin. And from here, go to service accounts. To create a new service account, you can just press the button on the top, left to delete. You can give your service account a name and a description. And from here, you can say create and continue. The next step is really important because from here you will need to select a role. In the filter, just type in Dialogflow. And we will need to select the Dialogflow admin, API admin. You don't have to do anything for the grant users access. We just press the done button. And from here we will need to create a new API key. Just go to the three dots on the right, just below action. Manage keys. From here we're going to select add new key, create a new key, and we're going with the key type JSON. Once pressing create, it should also download the JSON file directly towards your computer. Now just go back towards the platform itself and just upload your JSON file. Just press sync agents. And you will now see that your Dialogflow training agent has been saved in the Dialogflow overview.